I'm going to replace this tuner on my guitar. This key, actually, when I got this guitar, was broken off, and so I've purchased some new tuners, and I'm going to use a jeweler's pliers. It's a Phillips head on the screw. Remove this. I've removed the other three here. That just slides out. And the other tuner on the other side is fine. I'm going to replace that too, but I ordered these online, like $10, pretty inexpensive. And these holes don't line up, the screw holes, the same. Let's see. Let's see this one. Yeah, that actually fits better. This screw hole almost lines up. I'm gonna have to drill new holes, but I'm gonna get the drill set up. And new screws came with, so I'll use these and get that installed. And I've got the drill and a bit in. The bit is the size of the shaft of the screw, and the threads stick out on each side. If I went a little bit bigger, then the threads wouldn't even grip into the wood, and it would just pull right out. So get this lined up. Kind of, it moves around in here, and those pins that go through the wood on the bottom, try and get that in the middle. And take a screw and a screwdriver. Tighten that up. There we go. And then I'll drill the other three holes and then do the other side. And done. Got them all, both sides replaced. Oh, looks good. These old ones all yellowed, and which I kind of like that look too, but it's different. But with that one broken, didn't work. Turned a 6-string into a 5-string. But be sure and check out my other videos.